short. They can't be like really long. Yeah, so that's going to be my last squirt for the slime. And I'm going to do a butter slime, I think. Okay guys, so this slime turned out, this one turned out, you guys can even works like that, okay? Next slime is this. This is really hard. So we're gonna see if this blossom glitter can help it. And if it can't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I haven't really gotten it to mix in yet. It's very, very glittery too. So, and it's for your body, so it's kind of like a lotion, but it's more of like a gel. It looks like it's helping me, guys. I'm scared it's gonna chip one of my nails, so it's kind of why I'm not really doing what I normally do. It's hard. But it's working, guys. It's definitely working. I don't think I'm gonna need the. Oh, this one just had to fix your bad slimes. I forgot. So what you do is you do what I did. So if it's hard, you add some. So let me try to read what it's called. Shimmer Balm. From Bath and Body Works. I don't think it's a lotion, guys, but you guys will have to just check. So I did put paper in this slime for another one of my YouTube videos, so it's coming out actually really soon. I think I might be posting it today. I made it a couple weeks ago, so I think I'm going to be remaking it because I don't know if I have it. I think I might have deleted it, guys, so I might have to use it. The other slime, like a clear slime. So guys, this is really actually working really well. I've only done this once or twice. Put this stuff in there. And no guys, my parents don't do this. I already had a mishap on my desk. I didn't post the video, but one of my slimes I did melt it fully. And I used some stuff to clean it up. So guys, my top of my desk is glass, so like you guys are shifting, right? Because the glass isn't fully on there, or like stuck on there. Yeah. So I went on FaceTime so I could do this. Like I told her I'd go to the bathroom and stuff, because I did. And then I got the idea to do this, so I might have to text her that I'm doing this. But that will pause my video. So guys, it's been like storming really bad, so sorry if you guys hear like thunder or something, because it's raining really hard, and there's a lot of thunder. I'm going to try to put in a poll question. Has it been nice or bad weather where you guys are? It's been very nice. It has not been nice here. We've only had like one day of like just like nice weather, like at school. We didn't have to wear jackets. That was like the only day in a couple months that we've not really had to take jackets to school. So I hope you guys liked my new room. My bed's, yeah, I really don't know what side it's on. No, it's on this side. Like, it's pushed against the wall, so like, doesn't this look like my full room? No bed. Okay guys, so look at this sign. I wish I knew how to put it in before and after pics, but I don't. So, kind of like there's a before picture, splitting the camera. Before, hard rock. Now, even bonus, there's glitter in it. So guys, try to reach my goal of 10 subscribers by the end of this week, and it's Saturday. So by tomorrow, can I get maybe a couple more subscribers? Maybe. I know subscribers don't grow on trees, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it.